Hi, I'm Truck Moore and I live in La Cañada. We needed to have a patio installed because we had way too much sun during the middle of the summer, and it wasn't very enjoyable to be outside with the sun beating down on one part of the yard. We also wanted overhead heaters installed so that we can stay outside and have enjoy our summers much longer into the fall, and actually even into the winter. I found Brothers Construction on homeadvisor.com, and David and Sam came over and they were wonderful. Sam was very professional. David was wonderful. He came over when we started construction and they were fantastic. They explained the process, the permitting requirements, the planning requirements, the drawing requirements, how long it would take. They did a great job. We decided to choose Brothers Construction and Sam and David because they were really responsive. I got email quotes from them immediately. They offered to come, I believe, within 24 to 36 hours for a meeting to explain the project. They were incredibly accessible. They actually also got great reviews from other customers who had used them. So we felt that they were very professional and could get the job done for us. The job was excellent. They were paid incredible attention to detail. They did a great job with the installation work and building the construction. They cleaned up after each of their days of work. It was excellent. We absolutely love the patio that they built for us. We use it quite a bit. Our friends love it. It's really nice to be outside late into the evening and have the overhead patio heaters on. Aesthetically, it's beautiful. They did a great job making recommendations on the structure so that it would match our existing house. Overall, they just did a fantastic job. We absolutely would recommend them, and I believe I provide a referral for one of them for a house project. So yes, we've already started to do that. We would absolutely recommend them. Thank you, Brothers Construction, for doing a great job, and thank you, Sam and David, for carrying through and finishing the project for us in a great way. Thank you.